Today we're in a wonderful city called Verona, in the northern parts of Italy, and we are in a place called Castel San Pietro. From this view, you see the old Verona. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video as we show you the wonderful part of Verona in this video. Take care. And luckily for us, we just got there and there was a car show of old cars. It was lovely seeing old cars, the loud sound. It was nice, you know. These cars, we usually see them in TVs or in pictures, but it was nice seeing them. You can see the wonderful view, the beautiful Adige Stream, and the beautiful view of houses in Verona. Verona is a wonderful city, a place to be. I don't know if you have been here or if you would like to come. Every year, many tourists come to Verona to see this God's wonderful creation. Seeing the houses, the view is wonderful. Imagine yourself in this place with the calmness, the coolness. It's so exciting and lovely. In this channel, we are going to be showing you more videos like this. We're going to explore places where you would love to see. Comment below and let us know places you love us to visit in Verona. It will be exciting to know you interacting with us on the comment section. So we came here to get another panoramic view of Verona. You can see from this place, the view is so wonderful. Verona is such a lovely and beautiful city that I will want you to visit one day. Keep watching these videos, keep watching our channel, and we'll show you the beautiful sides of Italy. This place, Lake Garda, is so wonderful. The trees, the rooftops, the calmness from this place is so wonderful. You know, okay, go travel vlog. We are going to show you a lot of beautiful sites in Italy, Verona particularly, because we're based here in Verona. And we are going to show you so many places that tourists come to Verona, because it's a travel vlog. We're going to show you places that you would like to travel to. Keep watching our channel and do not forget to subscribe. During this video, you know, I have someone behind the camera who is Mira. He's a wonderful guy, and soon we'll be having his own channel. You're going to love him. He's good at what he does. So we're here together. He's helping me with the camera today. Next time I'll be the one holding the camera. So we're here and we're going to show you more things as we work on this journey. Keep following us. soon, later on in this video, I'll be showing you the night view from Castel San Pietro, because now we'll be ending this part of the daytime video. I want to show you the night view of Verona, how beautiful Verona is at night. And you know, after this video, I think I'm going to show you what it's called, Arena, the beautiful view of Arena at night. And do not forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that when we start the other episodes, you won't miss anyone. Follow us on this journey. Verona's night view is just a sight to behold. It's a feeling and experience that stays with you long after you have left. So if you ever find yourself in this romantic city, don't forget to explore its enchanting night view, where history, culture, and beauty come together to create a truly magical atmosphere. Thanks for staying with us to this journey on Verona's night view and daytime view. We hope to see you next time on our next episode. Please do not forget to click the notification bell so that wherever we upload a new episode, you get notified. Thanks and see you next time.